For thousands of years, seashells have been used by indigenous communities in the Americas as a form of currency. These shells, found along the coast, were highly valued for their beauty and rarity. Supply was limited by nature. Only what washed ashore existed in a given market, and this inherently limited inflation of seashell supply made shells functional to use as money. In fact, seashells are just one example of the many currencies throughout history that have imploded due to extreme increases in its supply. Glass beads in Africa were similarly used and found a similar fate. For now, we'll focus on seashells. For indigenous communities in the Americas, seashells had cultural and spiritual significance, but were also used as a means of exchange and a store of value. However, the arrival of outsiders from Europe and the consequent increase in trade had a profound impact on the use of seashells as currency. Colonizers were able to quickly increase the supply of seashells. They could easily bring over boatloads of them. This was a major shock to the market. Before the arrival of these outsiders, the supply of seashells was stable and limited in growth. But when boatloads of new shells suddenly entered the economy, the total supply of shells skyrocketed. This drastically reduced the value of each shell. This is inflation of money supply, and this inflation led to the total collapse of the seashell currency. The collapse of seashells as money serves as a simple, clear example of inflating the supply of money. It is worthwhile to think about this in the context of fiat currencies, like the US dollar or Japanese yen. With the supply of fiat money so easy to control and increase, will the story of the dollar fare similar to seashells? Or will fiat currencies prevail regardless of inflation?